Good morning, student. Today we explain numerical number 3 of elevation of boiling point. This question was asked Bihar School Examination Board 2009. Here we write question number 3 and write BSEB 2009. It is a very important numerical. Now we write numerical. Question is calculate the molar elevation boiling point constant of a solution containing 1.0 gram of urea. Molar mass of urea is 60 in 75.0 gram water and boils at 100.114 degrees Celsius. Question is calculate the molar elevation boiling point constant of a solution containing 1.0 gram of urea. Molar mass of urea is 60 in 75.0 gram water and boils at 100.114 degrees Celsius. Calculate the molar elevation boiling point constant. The symbol of molar elevation boiling point constant is Kb. Therefore, we write Kb is equal to what? In the question, urea is solvent, urea is solute, and water is solvent. The mass of urea in question 1.0 gram. Therefore, we write a small w is equal to 1.0 gram. Molar mass of urea is 60 gram mole inverse. Here we write a small m. Therefore, we write the symbol of molar mass of the solute in a small m in the formula. Therefore, we write a small m. Here we write capital W is equal to 75.0 gram. In the question, mass of water is 75.0 gram. Therefore, here we write capital W is equal to 75.0 gram. Here question asks boils at 100.114 degrees Celsius. This value is boiling point of the solution. Here we write TS symbol. This indicates boiling point of the solution. The value of TS is equal to 100.114 degrees Celsius. Now we convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. Here we add plus 273 and converted into Kelvin 373.114 Kelvin. T naught indicate boiling point of pure solvent. In the question, water is a pure solvent. We know that the boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, we write 100 degrees Celsius. Now we convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Therefore, we write 100 plus 273 and converted into 373 Kelvin. First of all, we calculate the value of delta TB, which indicate elevation of boiling point. Here we write formula delta TB, which indicate elevation of boiling point. The formula is delta TB is equal to Ts minus T naught. In the question, the value of Ts is equal to 373.114 Kelvin minus we write here the value of T naught. The value of T naught in the solution is 373 Kelvin. We subtract and we get 0.114 Kelvin. It is the value of the delta TB. Now we explain and calculate the value of KB. Here we write formula next. Formula is delta TB is equal to KB into small w into 1000 upon small m into capital W. So we calculate the value of KB. Therefore, we write KB is equal to delta TB. This part remove and we write here a small m into capital W. This part move lower and we write a small w into 1000. Delta TB here write 0.114 Kelvin. Therefore, we write 0.114. The value of a small m is 60. Here we write 60. And the value of capital W is equal to 75.0 upon we write the value of a small w 1.0 gram. Here we write 1.0 gram and 1000. Here we write KB is equal to decimal points are removed in the solution and we get 114 into 60 into 75.0. Point is removed and here point is removed. We write 10 into 1000 into 1000. Here 30 present in the instead of 114. We remove a decimal point. This digit and this digit equal and these digits are greater. Therefore 30. Here we write remove the decimal note. This 0 cut out and this 0 cut out. This is a cut out 3 and 4. A cut out by 2 and 3, cut out by 5, 7. KB is equal to 5, 7 into 9 is equal to 513 upon 1000. Therefore, KB is equal to 0.513. 30 are present lower, therefore decimal point present 3 digit left. The unit of KB is Kelvin, kg, molar inverse. Next question we write question 4 is question calculate the molar elevation constant for water given that 0.2 molar 0.2 molar solution of non-volatile and non-electrolyte solute increases the boiling point of water by 0.104 Kelvin. Question is calculate the molar elevation constant for water given that 0.2 molar solution of non-volatile and non-electrolyte solute increases the boiling point of water by 0.104 Kelvin. In the question, water is solvent and non-volatile electrolyte is solute, which is written here. Question asks calculate the molar elevation constant. We write answer. Symbol of molar elevation constant Kb is equal to what? The value of Cm is equal to 0.2 and question asks the elevation of boiling point delta TB is equal to 0.104 केल्विन। क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि मोलर एलिवेशन कांस्टेंट आप वाटर का ज्ञात कर दीजिए जिसका सिंबल Kb होता है। कह रहा है कि 0.2 मोलर सॉल्यूशन, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि 0.2 मोलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट। मोलर का मतलब होता है मोलिलिटी से रिलेटेड है। तो Cm हम लोग लिखते हैं मोलिलिटी को, इसीलिए Cm इज इक्वल टू 0.2 लिख दिया। डेल्टा Tb इज इक्वल टू 0.104 कैलोरी लिख दिया हमने। ठीक, अब क्या करेंगे कि अब जो है हम एक सूत्र लिखने जा रहे हैं। डेल्टा Tb इज इक्वल टू Kb इंटू Cm। दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल, therefore we write Kb is equal to delta Tb upon Cm. Kb is equal to the value of delta Tb in the question is 0.104 upon the value of Cm is 0.2. Here we write Kb is equal to 104 upon 2 into 100। देखिए इसमें दशमलव के दाहिने 3 अंक हैं, नीचे 1 अंक है, 1 अंक इक्वल हो गए, 2 अंक एक्स्ट्रा है तो 2 जीरो जो है अलग से बैठा दिया गया है। इसमें अब कट आउट करेंगे 5 2 से और आंसर लिखने जा रहे हैं Kb इज इक्वल टू 2 जीरो है इसलिए 2 डिजिट पर डेसिमल पॉइंट को बैठा दीजिए, यही आंसर हो जाएगा। और Kb का जो यूनिट होता है केल्विन केजी मोल इनवर्स, इसको हमने लिख दिया। यही आप लोगों का आंसर हो गया।